Hello students, welcome to your education. I am Jitendra Tyagi and right now I am again with you to share important notification that is from GAIL, a very famous public sector in India. Okay, many of the students have dreamed to join this PSU. So there is career opportunities as executive trainee 2023. Okay, every year they recruit for the post of executive trainee and this is for 23 right now. Okay, and what are the details of different vacancies? So name of the post is executive trainee chemical. Number of vacancies total 20 and according to different categories we can see here. Similarly in executive trainee civil there are 11 posts in different categories, you can check. Then executive trainee GAIL TEL, okay, this is for electronics and communication actually. So there are 8 vacancies, out of which 4 vacancies are in unreserved category and then 3 in OBC non-creamy layer and 1 SC category. Okay, so you can see for electronics and communication these are the vacancies, right? Now executive trainee BIS, so that is for computer science students. Total 8 vacancies, 4 in unreserved category and 2 in OBC non-creamy layer, then 1 SC 1 ST, total 8. Okay, and in these 1 post is reserved for person with benchmark disability, okay, in the mentioned areas. You can check in this PDF later, right? Now qualification in different categories we can see. For chemical, executive trainee chemical, bachelor's degree in engineering, okay, chemical, petrochemical, chemical technology and polymer science, chemical technology and plastic technology, all these BTech branches are eligible and you must have 65% marks in your graduation and there will be 5% relaxation for SC/ST candidates, okay, so 60% for them. Now executive trainee civil, so bachelor's degree in civil engineering with 65% marks. Then executive trainee GAIL TEL TCTM, so bachelor's degree in electronics, electronics and communication, electronics and telecommunication, telecommunication, electrical and electronics, okay. So this is important for EEE, okay. This is not for electrical students, okay. If you have BTech in electrical engineering, not eligible, but if you have BTech in electrical and electronics engineering, then you are eligible, okay. So carefully check the BTech branches. Electrical and telecommunication also eligible with minimum 65% marks. Then we have BIS, so bachelor's degree in computer science or information technology with minimum 65% marks, or bachelor's degree with minimum 60% marks and 3 years master's degree in computer application, okay. So if you are having MCA degree, then 60% marks in bachelor's, 65% marks in MCA, okay. That is the requirement for this BIS. Age relaxation will be there for different categories, so you can check that later. Now what are important points? Upper age limit is 26 years as on 15th of March 2023 for the post of executive trainees in all disciplines. So this is for general category, and for other categories, okay, there is some age relaxation which you can check, okay, in this PDF. Now pay, allowances, here these things you can check later, health benefit, everything you can check later. So now important is selection process and how to apply. Okay, so GAIL will be utilizing graduate aptitude test in engineering 2023 marks, okay. So this recruitment will be done on the basis of GATE 2023 only. GATE 2022 score will not be applicable here, okay, and those who have done their BTech in 2021 or earlier are not eligible, okay. This is also important point. So read the instructions carefully. Now what are the GATE paper code required? You can see chemical, CH, civil, electronics and communication or computer science and information technology. GATE in instrumentation is not eligible here, okay, you can note down this. GATE in electrical also not eligible. And different branches, those will be considered in different categories, you can read here, which I have explained to you earlier also, okay. So remember this point, GATE marks of 2022 और prior to that is not valid, केवल 23 के बेसिस पे सिलेक्शन होगा, ओके। और आपको यहाँ पे अप्लाई करना है कैरियर सेक्शन में जाके गेल वेबसाइट के, ठीक है, ये वेबसाइट है, इस पे जाके आपको कैरियर सेक्शन में ये सारी डिटेल्स मिल जाएंगी एंड देन यू हैव टू अप्लाई सेपरेटली फॉर दिस। गेट में आपने ऑलरेडी अप्लाई किया हुआ है, नाउ यू हैव टू अप्लाई फॉर गेल आल्सो, उस गेट में आपने अप्लाई किया हुआ है, गेल के लिए अभी अप्लाई करना है, राइट। ये वेबसाइट है। नाउ दिस इज अवेलेबल फ्रॉम 14th of Feb टिल 15th of March, ठीक है। तो डेट नोट कर लो, बिफोर 15th of March you have to apply on the website of GAIL for this recruitment. Those who have idea that they will get good marks in GATE, they must apply, right? So documents, related documents they have mentioned here, what documents are required. So all these things you can read here. Okay, this is important. Last date 15th of March, right? So please apply for this important job if you know that you may get good marks in GATE exam. Okay, all the best.